Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Sexual reproduction creates genetic diversity through specific cellular processes. We will break down how chromosomes and fertilization work to find the right answer together. First, we must identify that genetic variation starts during meiosis when homologous chromosomes swap DNA. This crossing over happens between pairs from each parent, not just identical sister chromatids within one chromosome. Next, remember that fertilization involves haploid gametes which carry half the genetic material. When these egg and sperm cells combine, they create a unique diploid zygote with a brand new genome. Option C is correct, linking homologous crossing over with haploid fertilization. Other choices fail by mentioning diploid gametes or the wrong chromatid types. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the given info and check your steps.